Going to Seattle. Why didn't even focus? Welcome to Seattle!
Woo! Seattle!
We arrived here today on Friday, the 6th of October. We're here to surprise our friend Mandy Yao.
My best friend Mandy Yao.
Yes, sir. What's the plan, George?
We're gonna go to a bar and surprise her there, so we're gonna get there first. Eric has been doing all the bar hopping just to keep her distracted. The bar that we're gonna go to, probably the last bar that she goes for the night.
Yes, sir. We are here in the Model X. Picked it up. We had a little bit of hassle, but we figured it out. And now we'll get the plan on going. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Woo! See this restaurant that Jordan's about to walk into? The plan was to ride to this restaurant called Vaughn's before Mandy and Eric, so that Eric can bring Mandy up to us, and we turn around and boom, surprise her. However, that plan was spoiled because Mandy wanted to stay in a specific area, which was not near here, so we had to restructure our plan, go to them, and pop out like a wild Pokemon.
From Boston. Oh my god. Which one is this? Is it money tree?
Yeah, they're considered like
Can.
Money tree is always so hard for me to grow.
But you have to keep it alive.
Like Chinese
I already like
Yes.
Your pods are healthy.
About the camera? Yes, sir. I'm vlogging right now. Go. What am I, boy?
Go. See you in Seattle soon.
This is the second day here in Seattle. We're gonna meet up with our friend Ricky. He's heading back to New York. He was here for a business trip, but said he has to head out, so we're gonna catch up with him. We're gonna head out to Chinatown, explore it, eat some noodles at a noodle shop. That'll be it, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do after that. Let's get it.
Taking over the vlog today. We're gonna go through the streets of Seattle. This is what it's like to be a vlogger out in these streets.
Chinatown. This is Jordan. This is our boy Alexis, whom we just met. You got Ricky the Rat behind the cam.
She called me a rat.
Ricky the Rat. That's pretty fitting, actually.
This is what it's like out here.
No, I call Ricky Rat because of Mickey Mouse.
Oh, I gotta flip.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can see myself out here vlogging in
We
the
just go. We went to
streets.
CP House.
I feel like strictly dumpling right now. How's the boba? How's the verdict?
We're good.
We're gonna explore the Chinatown Park right there. Man, vlogging is hard. So fake. Bye.
Have a safe flight.
I'll see you guys.
Get up that hump. Look at that. Where are we?
Seattle, REI.
We're at REI.
Yeah, Roger forgot my hiking boots.
Me?
He remembered his own, but forgot mine.
I ain't forgetting nothing.
He just wants to give me a hiking boots as my birthday gift.
No.
It doesn't count.
What? We just finished our trip at REI. Got some shoes for George. Tonight we are sleeping over at Mandy's. We're going to Mount Rainier tomorrow for a hike. And then later tonight we're gonna get what?
Omakase.
Omakase! Okay? See y'all later. Peace. Peace. Oh, can you put the engines on? Where we go? Where'd you get this mac and cheese from, George?
Ask Mandy.
Beecher's mac and cheese.
Beechers.
It's at Pike Place Market, yes.
Here in Seattle.
Make sure to check it out.
Recording. Act natural. I'm recording. Act natural. Cheers. Happy birthday!
She's like, who, me?
To you.
Me?
Look.
Is it today?
Look! It's not today. Oh. Here's some balloons and a gift. And a cake in the fridge.
For me?
Yeah.
I think it's for you.
Our birthday is in October.
Oh, thank you. Please don't be too stressed. We'll worry about tomorrow. You guys are a part of this?
I wasn't a part of it.
Bro, double surprise of the week. Oh, thank you. I know we didn't get dessert, but you have a whole strawberry shortcake here.
You can't really see it. It's just
My favorite cake. I was so confused. I was like, oh, it's Patrick's birthday. It's your birthday. This is for you. The dinner was already enough. But you deserve so much more. You deserve the whole world. I just need a fully charged Tesla. That's all.
Cake.
Thank you. Thank you.
Patrick.
Patrick, this is not your business.
Hello, Patrick.
You're part of this too.
Thanks for not biting the balloon.
So cute. Ah, so cute. We're out loud. We're out loud. We're out loud. This is huge.
What is it?
What? Oh! Wait, Roger, you're a part of this then.
What, me?
Because who else would know that I wanted this? It's so bad.
I didn't know nothing.
Oh my god, thank you guys.
Right now it is 7. We are going to hike at Mount Rainier. It's our day for today, Sunday. Sunday hikes. Get it in. Smile.
Okay.
First mountain conquered in Washington. Okay, that's the top. We made it.
So I can see.
We are here. Skyline Trail. This is gonna be a 6-mile hike at Mount Rainier. Sheesh. George, Yanni Mao, Eric Gang.
Eric, what?
Gang. Mile 1. How you feeling, George?
Dying. Very slowly.
Look, a waterfall.
I was like, here, he pushed me slightly.
Mile 2. Found snow. Almost at the top. Let's go.
It's all for you.
This is for you, King James.
Walk 3,000 up there.
Mile 3. At the peak.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, baby. Let's begin. For today, we have pizza.
In Pringle form.
In a Pringle form. Some mac and cheese salad. Watermelon. We got some Sammys. Some carrots. We got a little chipmunk friend somewhere. Oh, right there. Next to Eric. Give me a second. Oh, touch you?
Wait, it actually did?
Mile 4. Mile 5. Mile 6. We just finished. How was the hike, guys?
That's good.
Too easy.
No.
It was a piece of cake.
We're back at the crib. We got some nudes. Celebratory dinner. We're conquering
We are here.
the Skyline Trail at Mount Rainier. Braised beef noodle soup, pork chive dumplings, some garlic, string beans.
This one is the beef ramen noodle. Dry noodle.
We're gonna eat. Enjoy the rest of the night. That'll be it. Let's get it. Today is day 3 in Seattle. Right now we're gonna go to Mandy's. We're gonna go to Nana's green tea house. And then today is also the day that Perry and Emily arrives. So we're gonna pick them up at the airport tonight. Hello.
You look so cute.
Looking like you're in UK, mate.
How do I close this door?
Made it to Bellevue, and we're gonna get supreme dumplings. Hello.
Hi.
Where are we at?
We are at Supreme Dumpling.
What do we order?
We order 小笼包. Look at this. Thank you.
Wow.
This is Sichuan 小笼包. This is regular.
Regular?
Then this is truffle.
Truffle 小笼包.
Oh my god. Okay.
And dandan noodle.
Where? This is
And
dandan
this
noodles?
is pan fried buns.
Pan fried buns?
Pork chop fried rice.
Pork chop fried rice?
And shrimp beans.
And then our sweet and sour soup that we
String
already
beans getting choy.
pretty much almost done.
In the what?
Hot and sour soup.
It's good. Not normal.
What we experience on the weekend is not normal.
Yes.
This is normal Seattle weather.
Yes. Welcome to Seattle.
Welcome to proper
Welcome
Seattle.
To the rain.
We are now going to
Nana's green tea.
Nana Green Tea.
House.
Green Tea House. Much recommended here in Seattle.
Must eat, must eat.
Must try. What number is that? The goat.
Thank you.
Where we going, y'all?
Going to Bancroft Market.
Bang Rack Market.
Was that natural? Coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
High
High tea. Tofu spring roll. Cheers. Chicken pad thai. Shredded pork with Thai chili. Mandy got plain rice. What'd you get, Jordan?
green Thai curry.
Whoa. Just kidding. Mandy got this. Mango sticky rice.
Yay!
Oh my God! What up, R? What up, Jay?
Where's P? Where's P at? Rock on my boy.